What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. All right, next up is this one here. We've got a bag. Let's go ahead and we don't need the box cutter for this one. We can actually open it up pretty easily here. What do we have in this one? So it looks like this is a mug warmer. This is a heating cup, the M316, and yeah, it's good for different cup types: glass cups, box drinks, metal cups, plastic cups, and ceramic cups. That's interesting that a warmer would work for box and plastic cups, and it doesn't get too hot for that, but that's kind of nice. It is in black. And then we see in the back that it is a 25 watt heater. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. Pretty straightforward as to what this one is. Christmas is coming up, so you know, it's nice to keep things warm. We'll be drinking lots of tea and coffee. So here's the instruction manual, Smart Mug Warmer. And despite the large box, it's actually very, very thin and compact. That's nice to see. Let me open this up. Yeah, so we can plug it in the back. We have the cable here, and then we have the actual device itself where it warms the mug on the surface. So it's pretty flat. You can just keep it on your desk and place your mug on top of it. In the front, we do have some buttons here. We have the on and off switch on this side, and then we have the temperature change button on the other side, and that's going to let you adjust the temperature, essentially how hot you want your drink to be. Now, that's not all that's left, because this is a big box, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what else is there. Oh, that's unexpected. It actually comes with its own mug that has a very, very flat bottom so that it makes contact with the mug warmer. That's really cool to see. Wasn't expecting a mug with it. And then you just place it right there, and there you go. You've got your warm coffee. So very nice right before the holidays, right before winter's here. This is going to be super, super useful. And again, I'll put links to all of these products in the description. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much to all the sponsors, and thank you so much for watching. We'll have some more in-depth videos, unboxings on this channel, and reviews on the new Tech Savvy Reviews channel. So I'll see you there. Have a good one.